So they seem to have loved my bike. They are clicking some photos. It does not look like biryani, it's like gone pulao. So as I was saying, my bike grabbed a lot of attention. Look how it's staring at the bike. So this is the first time that I'll be paying tax for the bike. Like something caught fire or they have put fire. The culprit of not getting the bag is this one. So here's the sunrise from the eastern side of the beach. So we came, we were in a hurry, so I could not vlog from the room. Actually, the sunrise was at 6 and we reached at 6:02, but still we managed to get the sunrise. So because of that, we dressed up in a hurry. I don't even know. I did not even wear my socks under my shoes. I kept it in the bag only because it would take time. So we were in that much of a rush. But we are glad that we made it on time. Okay, there are a lot of people also. So now we'll do all the packing. And we'll rearrange all our stuff. I'll remove the jacket and wear it again because it's not set properly. Yeah, so we are quite happy that we got to see the sunrise here. So as I was just saying, you know, in a hurry we even forgot to carry our bag. But no worries, we are going to this only, room only. So we'll be passing the side also, that time only we'll take. And the main culprit of not carrying the bag is this one. But we'll just wait for 2-3 minutes more and then we'll move because we have a long way to cover. We'll be covering almost 12 hours today. That's nearly 400-500 kilometers. But we'll be pushing ourselves a bit today because you know we can ride in a relaxed way tomorrow then. So right now we are back at our rooms and Ian is gone to get the bag. So I remember that we did not lube our chains also, so we'll do that now. And there's a few stuff in the bag that will shift to the panniers. So right now we are done with my friend's bike and we are moving on to my bike now. So this is a chain lube that we are using. So these two boys are busy eating. Actually these were my idlis because I had ordered first. Very nice. And here got this much bhaji. So some will fit in his pockets today. And I got a cut here, so which is why I cannot talk much. With the helmet it's stretching here and I have some food problem, so it's getting cut. So I have two cuts. So all this while when they were waiting, I did not realize that we were waiting on a banana leaf. So when she put one for me, that time I came to know. So my friend is quite happy with the taste of the idli. Because normally, no, you'll never see him saying, this is good. He'll be like, this can be better. It is okay, but it can be better. You'll always get passive answers from me. But the first time, even I'm surprised to get direct answers. So the idlis are really good. They are super fresh, you know. Yummy. So this is the place that we had our food at. And we are making a move from here. The time is 9 o'clock. So we are thinking of taking our next break at 3. So we will be riding continuously for almost 4-5 hours. But before that we will fuel up somewhere.
A few moments later.
And Google has got us into some village which we do not want because there are good bypass roads. Early in the morning we are riding in traffic. And especially these buses, they will never let you go ahead. We have to save all our energy for Bangalore traffic because we were checking and there is no other road that's bypassing Bangalore. So up to Electronic City we have to go. So Tiruvannamalai is 53 kilometers from here and we have to cross Tiruvannamalai to reach Bangalore. I'm not sure if you can see, but you know, the mountain that I showed you. Oh, wait a minute, I'll show you all now. The mountain that I showed you with that rocks fallen like. So, a similar mountain like that, but it has a fort on top of it. You see, from here only it looks so good. I wish we had time, you know, to explore this. But by the time we climb this fort, we will be done and we'll be needing a room to rest here somewhere. But just see how it is built on the mountain. But even this one has something on it on top. You saw Ian? What? Even this is a fort. On top, if you see there is the basins. Man, what were they even thinking while doing it? How did they even think it was possible to build it? So most of our highway that we have to cover is like this, and it feels quite good and peaceful to ride on roads like this. We are easily cruising at 80, 100, and Mefferen is not to be seen yet. But yes, otherwise it's really good. But what I was thinking is, if the temperature right now, that's at 9 o'clock, is 34, it's not 34, maybe on the bike it's showing 34, but it should be around 30, 32. Then what would be the state when we are riding at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock? So I feel that we should take a break during that time. But let's see, as long as we keep rolling, the wind keeps coming, so we are fine with that. Look at the smoke here. Looks like something caught fire or they have put fire. Oh no, they are burning the field. So there was some kind of name, I studied in school for that, when they burn and they let it stay during the rains and it gets fertilized or something. If you all know, just put it down in the comments. I'm not exactly sure, shifting cultivation or something they call it. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm sure that you all might be knowing. If anyone does, just put it down in the comment. So Ian is saying that we'll wait for a water break because we drank coffee, and after we drink coffee it dehydrates the body. We just stopped at the toll gate to have tender coconuts. We were thirsty, so we'll have this, and then we have a long way. That's 5 hours, approximately 5 hours more to go. I don't know what's come on this, guys. The day in the hot sun. I'm standing in the shade inside the stall. So I think this is going to be mine. This is light?
Only water.
Only water? Ian. So we had, and now we are moving. The heat is quite extreme today. It's what is the time? It is only 9:48. That is almost 10. But the heat is this much. So Ian is sitting with Mefferen now because his legs are paining on this one. So the pillions, it is, I don't think it's designed properly for like short pillions. When we are told, what happens is we don't get this support. So that's why I think his legs are paining. But if he's still complaining of his legs paining, I'll let him ride for some time and I'll sit at the back. But he's trying now, sitting on that one. We'll see how it goes for him. So there was bird poop on my bike, and you know, if it stays for too long, it will end up just damaging the paint of it. There's a lady in front of me and she is not letting me overtake. She is on the Mercedes. Every time I try to overtake, she just accelerates. They have a retriever also in the car. But yeah, I've been riding for 1 hour, almost 3 hours now. The ride is going pretty smooth. I lost track of Mefferen and Ian. They are somewhere back on the bike. If I don't see them in another 5 minutes, I'll give them a call. So I've reached the main highway that is going to take me to Bangalore. But these guys are not to be seen yet. So I'll just wait somewhere in the shade. So I was just here, and someone from inside came. He was asking me how much this bike is. When I told him it's 3, he was quite surprised. I told him it's 3 with everything that's on it. So it's like 3 legs. So I'm still waiting for this, guys. It's been like 10 minutes that I'm waiting. I'm sure that they'll be in another 5 or 10. So Mefferen and Ian is on the way, and Anna was asking me about the bike. Look how he's staring at the bike. it makes me feel so happy that someone stares at my bike. And biking, it takes a lot of attention. You roam with cars, no one will even bother. But you roam with a bike, everyone will ask also. And everyone is quite helpful towards bikers, I've noticed that. So we'll wait for this there.
So as I was saying, my bike grabbed a lot of attention. So uncle was just telling me that there are no bikes like this over here. He's saying that this is a small city, so that's why they were surprised looking at my bike. He was asking me, looking at the GA registration and all. They were surprised that I'm coming riding from Goa. So these guys went in front, so I'll just catch up with them now. And looking at the traffic, you might be knowing that we are almost about to reach Bangalore, and it's mostly because of this big trucks. So they are building a 6-lane highway, but for now this is the only option. So we are entering Bangalore main city now. This is Biocon metro station. So this is the first time that I'll be paying tax for the bike. I was pretty surprised to look at this. This is the Nice Road. The name of the road is only Nice Road. That is connecting us to Tumkur. I hope it's exceptionally well. For them to charge 60 rupees for bikes. Wow. Straight Goa Highway. Goa Highway, Goa. Up till where? Link Road. We are going to Goa. So from where I have to take?
From Link Road also you can go, from Mysore also you can go.
Which will be close? Link Road?
Link Road, take Mysore Road, that's between here.
Take Mysore.
Mysore Road.
Okay, fine. How much?
60 sir.
Okay, there are two bikes. I just 60 for both the bikes. Now I want to see how good this highway is. So I'm not sure if we are going to Mysore Road. I told him that we are going to Goa, but I don't think that he understood what I'm trying to say. So it's been half an hour that we are on this road. Pretty smooth road, but it has a speed limit of just 80, and there are speed camps everywhere on this road. At the side, in the middle, at this side. Even on those flyovers which are there are speed camps. So we cannot speed a lot. We have to stay on 77, 78.
Ian was extremely thirsty. He got 2 drinks. One is mint soda and one is lassi. I also got lassi, and this one got normal fresh time soda. So we'll have biryani here, mutton biryani and chicken biryani. And the location is just close by only. So I formatted my laptop. I'll just go and give it now. Biryani. This is mutton and this is chicken. They're almost using the same rice, and this does not look like biryani. It's like Goan pulao. That is why I'm not a huge fan of Bangalore biryani. But let's see how it tastes now. So we left from there and we were moving, but if you look at the rains, it's extremely heavy. So I bought this raincoat, the red one, but it's not working. I am almost wet, the fence and all here and all everywhere it's wet. So I'm wearing the other raincoat that I have. And Dafran they are still in the hotel, so I need to collect my laptop first and then we'll make a move. But this rain is making it extremely difficult for us to go, let's see what happens.
So we are ready to move now. It looks like it will rain, but I have the other raincoat out. With that I should not get wet. Oh, my seat was wet, I forgot. But I think it's fine. It will dry also. So the roads are dry again. So it looks like it just rained here. The road is fully wet. I am riding with my shoes on top. I know it looks funny, but that is a much convenient way. Otherwise my entire pant will be wet. So it looks like it's going to rain again. Actually, in fact, it is raining also. It is time to remove the GoPro, the Insta360, and put it in the bag. So we have around 3 more hours to ride until we reach a hotel. We already booked it. I forgot the name of the place. I think it is somewhat like Devangare or something. Let me reach, then I'll show you what exactly it is. But now I'll wait somewhere to remove this camera and put the raincoat on. So I've not taken yet the camera yet because the rains have seemed to be subsided, and I'm feeling bored also to remove it. So we stopped for tea, and it is right so beside the highway only, so it's the main highway. Tea is come. They took our order, you know. He came right to the main door to take our order and asked for. We told him 3 teas, and now we ordered onion pakoras. So we'll have that. And I think Ian, how long is left there? More to go? How long? 2 hours. So there are more 2 hours that we need to ride. So we'll be approximately reaching at 7 maybe, approx 7. We'll have to ride a bit in the dark today, but I think that's fine. With my fog lamps and all, it will be fine. And you know, my hair are standing up over here. It's because of that this thing that I'm wearing. And the roots also hurting quite a lot in this area. But still, just 1 more day, and then we can rest for some time, and then we'll start our next adventure. We ordered onion bhajiyas, and if you look at the sauce, just look at it. You see, the sauce is not coming at all. It's more of like jelly. So right now we are leaving from here, and Ian will be riding the bike for some time. His legs were hurting, him sitting behind. So I was just taking turns on mine and my friend's bike today, and I asked him to ride. Otherwise, you know, he'll also feel bored, and it's good that we have 3 riders. We started the day with sunrise, and we can see the sunset. So that's why the sun is setting. So it's been more than 10 hours that we've been riding now, and we'll be continuing for 2 more hours, and then we'll be staying for today. So we reached the toll gate, and I'll be riding my friend's bike now. So Ian will be riding this, and my friend will be sitting at the back, I think. So we have another 1 hour 20 minutes left to reach. It is showing 2 hours because I guess there's a lot of traffic. On a short break after riding continuously for 1 hour 45 minutes, and we are moving back again. You know, it feels good riding this bike up to a certain extent, and then sometimes when you get straight highways, the ears fill up with the sound. But you know, it is like to get a rev sound, now it feels good like this when you're in traffic and all. So where we are going is Devangare. So Devangare, I think that's how you pronounce it. So by mistake we took the service lane, so that's why we stopped. And the time now is, I did not check, it is 2012, so 8:12. So we are in Devangare city, and I'm not sure how you pronounce that, Devangare, Devangiri, I'm not sure, but the city is quite big. I did not expect it to be this huge. We reached a hotel. We had made a reservation, let's see. And I think there's a parking in the basement, but we'll first go in and talk to them. So we got the hotel. Now we are getting done with the check-in procedures. So they have a basement parking, so we'll just park the bike there. We are really tired. The time now is 9, almost 9. So we'll park the bike first, and first we'll remove all our things from there and take the bags up. So they seem to have loved my bike. They are clicking some photos. So this is our room. It was triple bed. Okay, I think 3 of us will fit here. And this is the bathroom. So we ordered Domino's.
and we got some chicken also. So we'll check how it is. My friend saying that it's good, and he's busy playing on the phone. So we'll have this first, and then we'll see what are the plans we have for the day. So this bookers finished their food, and I'm still there in the line. And right now, since we have nothing to do, we are playing with cards. Mine is already done. We are playing Zodis, so 4 is the main discard, which is here. So I defeated these losers just in one round. So we finished playing cards, and today also we did not do anything much because we were tired for riding like I think 12 to 14 hours we rode the bike today, and we were hungry also. So the first priority was having some food and having bath because of the heat. It's quite sweaty outside. Overall, today was a good day. From Pondicherry to Bangalore, we loved the riding. But in on the Bangalore to Pune highway, there was a lot of traffic, and then we entered Bangalore because of again a bad decision. But still, things like that happen, and it's new experiences for us also. We know that next time we should not go to Bangalore city, especially during the working hours. And yes, I think that's it for today's video. I hope you all have liked the video. If you all have liked the video, please do comment, share, and subscribe. Till then, till the next video. Bye.